am making a patriotic pie. Now, I bought this No Bake Cheesecake filling already pre-made. So I've got my pie filling and I'm going to put in my graham cracker crust. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. So now I have my cherry pie filling and my blueberry pie filling. I'm going to put a little bit of blue, and a little bit of red. And what I'm going to do is just swirl it. Then we are going to put this in the refrigerator and let it set up. Oh, yum, look at that.